Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain you how to use Google Lens to copy paste your own handwriting from your paper to your computer very easily with the help of the Google Lens app. So let us start by using this Google Lens. See here the Google Lens app. Just open this app. You can download it from the Play Store. Then you can see here you can copy any of the text which you want to send to your computer, your PC. The complete text also you can send. You can see here all of you in my page there is a lot of text written here. I can send my complete text or any of the line. I can send it to my PC or computer very easily through this Google Lens app. So how to do this is you have to just click on this bigger button. So this big button will highlight you with the text which you want to select. Let us say I'm selecting this part. So this complete part can be selected here by just dragging it. So here you can see here all of you, I'm just dragging the complete part here. So in this way I can select it. You can select more content if you want to send. Let us say I'm sending the complete paragraph here. So here you can do this in this way, and you can also see everyone that it is showing us with the web search also with so much of the content on this directly on the text which I have selected, and you can search from the web here directly also instead of going to the Google search. So this is also the very easiest way to access our the search engine. That means if you want to search any of the things which you don't know or which you want to know more about that, so in this way you can either copy the text. You can now you have to click on this copy to computer. Once you click on this copy to computer, it will search for the computer which you have on your PC. Now it is been written here, you need to sign in with the your email ID, then only it will be sent to your computer. Okay, all of you. Now I am going to click on this. My computer is on now. So now it has been copied on my computer or PC now. Yeah, so this has been text has been copied to my PC. So it is written that my text has been copied to my PC. Now I'll show you to my computer or laptop where it is been connected and it has been copied to my PC now. So before that I want to show you some more features here in this Google Lens. See here, this Google Lens can also have restaurant search, shopping. This is for the shopping text here. Restaurant search also, you can copy the text also. So you can do many more features. You can access it in the Google Lens. So you can see here you can translate the language, whichever the language which you have written in your text in your paper, that language can also be translated. You can also use this text by searching the text also. This is already the search engine which I already shown you. This is a shopping feature, it has been included here. This is a restaurant dining feature also. You can select it, whichever you want to select, which you want to search for. So these are the some of the features included in the Google Lens for easy access for us. So I hope this Google Lens app is very much useful for us to our daily life. So now I'll move on to my computer and show you that whether it has been transferred to my computer easily or not. So just check the computer. Let me check my computer now. Now you can see here all of you, I have opened my computer here and I will get a message here at the right corner. Yeah, I got a message that I have received my text on my PC, and now I have to check it whether it got it or not. So for that you have to go and open Notepad. So on that Notepad you need to press Windows key plus V. Windows key plus V. When you click on Windows plus V, you will get a clipboard. So you can see here all of you. From this clipboard, click on the matter or the text which you have copied from your transferred from your mobile, and it will be automatically being pasted on your notepad. So once it get pasted on your notepad, you can go and save your text with your file name. You can see here all of you. It has been saved in my transferred in my clipboard here, and whichever text I want it, whichever text I have transferred it, I have pasted clicked on that one and pasted in my notepad, and now I can save my file with any of the file name, and in this way I can transfer my any of the text to my mobile from my mobile to my PC. You can also see here all of you Google Lens app. You can see you can use it at the google.com store. Whatever features you want, as I have shown you in the Google Lens app, you can use it easily from this google.com store also. Thank you all of you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. and like, share and comment the video. Thank you all.